Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. Your exams are just around the corner. I know, and algebra can feel a little bit scary. But please, don't you worry. Today we are going to make it super simple and fun. We're going to revise this chapter together, and you'll see it's not that hard at all.
You know, I get this all the time. You open the math book and suddenly there are letters, X, Y, A, B, and you think, wait, isn't this supposed to be math? But trust me on this one, those letters are actually your friends. They're here to make our lives easier, not harder. Seriously.
Okay, so let's think of this like a video game. We're going to start at level 1 and level up together. By the end, you'll be an algebra pro. So, first things first, level 1. Let's meet our basic power-ups. What are these letter numbers anyway?
Well, they are nothing but mystery numbers. That's all. A letter like X or A is just a placeholder, like an empty box for a number we haven't figured out yet. In math, we call them variables, because the number inside that box can change or, vary. See? Not so complicated, right?
And here's exactly why they are so cool. Look at the left side. It's a whole long sentence. Shabnam's age is Aftab's age plus 3 years. Phew. Now look at the right. Just S equals A plus 3. It means the exact same thing. Algebra just helps us turn these long, clumsy sentences into short, neat little codes. It's so much simpler.
Fantastic! You've cleared level 1. Now, let's level up. Welcome to level 2. Here, we're going to learn how to use these variables to build our own math spells. And the proper name for these spells is expressions.
Okay, time for a little puzzle. Let's look at Parthiv here. He's making the letter L using matchsticks. Now, the question is, can we find a rule, a magic spell, to figure out how many matchsticks he'll need for any number of L's without having to count them one by one? Let's see.
Let's break it down step by step. For 1 L, he needs 2 matchsticks. Simple. For 2 L's, he needs 4. For, let's say, 10 L's, he would need 20 matchsticks. Are you seeing the pattern? Whatever the number of L's is, we just multiply it by 2. So if we say the number of L's is n, then the number of matchsticks is always 2 times n, or just 2n. And there you have it, our very first expression.
All right, exam time. A quick practice question. So Venkatalaxmi's flour mill takes 10 seconds just to start up. After it starts, it takes 8 seconds for every kilogram of grain. So what's the expression for y kilograms? Let's think about this. The 10 seconds to start, that happens only once, right? It's a fixed amount. But the time for grinding depends on the grain. It's 8 seconds per kilogram. So for y kilograms, it's 8 times y. So the total time is the fixed 10 seconds plus the 8 times y. So the correct answer has to be C, 10 plus 8 times y. You got it!
You are doing so well. On to level 3. Now it's time to upgrade our gear. We're going to learn how to make our expressions shorter and even more powerful by simplifying them. Let's go! Okay, this next part is super easy. Just think of it like sorting fruit. It's common sense, really. If you have 5 mangoes and you get 3 more mangoes, you have 8 mangoes. Easy. But what if you have 5 mangoes and 4 bananas? Can you add them? No. You can't say you have 9 manaanas or something, right? They are different, so they stay separate. Algebra works in the exact same way.
And in algebra, we just have special names for this. Things with the same letter, like 5C and 3C, are our mangoes. They are called like terms. And because they're alike, you can add and subtract them. But things with different letters, like 18C and 11D, those are our mangoes and bananas. They are unlike terms, and you have to keep them separate. That's the rule.
So let's see how this helps us. Imagine a shopkeeper sells 5 pencils on Monday, 3 on Tuesday, and 10 on Wednesday. If the cost of 1 pencil is C rupees, his total earning is 5C plus 3C plus 10C. Now, since these are all like terms, they all have a C, we can just add the numbers together. So 5 plus 3 plus 10 is 18, and the expression simplifies to just 18C. See? So much neater.
Okay, my champions. You have mastered the basics, you've upgraded your gear, and now it's time for the boss level. This final puzzle is going to show you the real magic, the real power of algebra. Are you ready? So, take a look at this calendar. I've put a little square around 4 numbers. Now just look at the numbers on the diagonals. One diagonal has 12 and 20. The other one has 13 and 19. I wonder what happens if we add them. Let's do the simple math. Diagonal 1, 12 plus 20 is 32. Okay. Diagonal 2, 13 plus 19 is also 32. Look at that, they are equal. But is this just a coincidence? Just lucky for these numbers? Or would this work for any square, on any calendar, anywhere? How can we possibly know for sure?
This is where algebra becomes our superpower. Instead of numbers, let's call the first number a. Then, the number next to it is a plus 1. The number below it is a plus 7, and the last one is a plus 8. Now let's add the diagonals. The first one is a plus 8, which gives us 2a plus 8. The second one is a plus 1 plus a plus 7, which is also 2a plus 8. They are exactly the same. This means it doesn't matter what a is. It will always work. We just proved it for every calendar, forever. Now that is magic.
And level complete. You have defeated the boss. You've mastered the basics of expressions. Let's quickly go to our victory screen for a few notes that will make you perfectly ready for your exams.
So here are the main things to remember. 1. Letters are just mystery numbers. Don't be afraid of them. 2. Expressions are just simple, short-form rules. 3. Remember the fruit rule. You can only add or subtract like terms, mangoes with mangoes. And 4, the most amazing part, algebra can prove that a pattern is true forever.
You have done an absolutely amazing job today. You have unlocked the power of algebra. Remember these simple ideas, do a little bit of practice, and I promise you, you are going to be fully prepared. Go and rock your exams. Shabash!